the challenges for the cement and concrete sector are quite linked to some of the wider trends going on in construction. Clearly, there will be opportunities for growth in emerging markets and the developed world. The question of how the sector can play its role in unlocking further construction productivity, in tackling the aging workforce in the construction sector, certainly in Europe, in the US, the opportunity to improve productivity in the construction sector when you compare it to, say, agriculture or manufacturing or retail. These are sectors that have truly transformed their productivity over decades, from the 1940s to today. Construction hasn't progressed in terms of productivity nearly as much. And of course, sustainability will be an important challenge and opportunity for the sector. I think there are a number of trends in construction that will matter for the world in the coming years. I mean, one obviously is construction is very much linked to GDP growth, and as the world has more people in it, as those people become richer, as they move into cities, so there will be more demand for construction in the emerging markets, of course, but also in the developed world, as people repair and maintain and upgrade their houses, their buildings, the wider infrastructure. So I think that's one theme. Another theme is around sustainability as an important topic from multiple lenses. Sustainable investment, looking at all sorts of companies from the lens of environmental, social, and governance issues. Also the question of emissions, carbon emissions, greenhouse gases, relevant for every sector, but certainly for construction and buildings as well. We talked a bit about productivity. Another trend that's very relevant now to the sector is there are lots of different startups and other investments around technology in the construction ecosystem. There's still a question of, which ones will get to scale, which ones will be implemented across quite a fragmented global sector, but certainly there's a lot more activity on construction tech and venture capital investment going in to the sector. Oh, I'm certainly optimistic for the future of the sector. I mean, it's obviously a sector that's been with us in some form for millennia, but I think when you think about some of the new technologies, when you think about some of the opportunities, it'll be exciting times in the coming years.